कुहचिद्वनमम्बुधिः क्वचित् क्वचिदभ्रं कुहचिद्रसातलं मनुजा दनुजाः क्वचित्सुराः ददृशे किन्न तदा त्वदानने. Kuhachit, the th changes to the because of sandhi. Vanam, kuhachidvanam because of sandhi. Ambudhihi dhas mahapranah. Kuhachidvanam ambudhihi. Visarga changes to jihva mulya kvachit. So kuhachidvanam ambudhih kvachit. Kvachit, the th changes to the because of sandhi. Abhram, bhamaha pranah. Kvachidabhram because of sandhi. Kuhachit. Now, abhram ends in anuswara followed by ka. So, it becomes nga. So, kvachidabhrang kuhachit because of sandhi. The th in the end changes to the because of sandhi. Rasatalam is a compound word. So, kuhachid rasatalam because of sandhi. Kuhachid vanamambudhih kvachit क्वचिदभ्रं कुहचिद्रसातलं. Manujaha, Visarga is dropped because of sandhi. Danujaha, Visarga changes to jihva mulya. Kvachit, Danujah kvachit because of sandhi. Suraha, Dadrishe, Kim, Na becomes kinna. Anuswara changes to nu there. Tada, Tvadanane is a compound word. Manuja danujah kvachit suraha dadrishe kinna tada tvadanane. Kuhachidvanam ambudhih kvachit kvachidabhrang kuhachidrasatalam. Manuja danujah kvachit suraha dadrishe kinna tada tvadanane. Kalashambudhisayinam punaha paravaikunthapadaadhivasinam swapurascha nijarbhakatmakam katidha twanna dadarshasa Kalasha ambudhi, kalashambudhishayinam is a compound word. The dhas mahapranah. Punaha paravaikuntha padadhivasinam. Altogether is a compound word. Paravaikunta padadhivasinam. Vaikuntha dhas mahapranah. Adhivasinam the dhas mahapranah. Kalashambudhishayinam punaha paravaikunta padadhivasinam. Swapuraha is a compound word. Visarga changes to shu there. Cha. Swapurascha because of sandhi. Nija arbhaka atmakam. Nijarbhaka atmakam is a compound word. Bhas mahapranah. Katidha dhas mahapranah. Twam na. Twanna because of sandhi. Anuswara changes to nu there. Dadarsha sa mukhe khas mahapranah. Swapurascha nijarbhakatmakam katidha twanna dadarsha sa mukhe. Kalashambudhishayinam punaha paravaikunthapadaadhivasinam swapurascha nijarbhakatmakam katidha twanna dadarsha sa mukhe. Vikasadbhuvane mukhodare nanu bhuyopi tatha vidhananah anaya स्फुटमीक्षितो भवान अनवस्थान जगतां बतातनोत. Vikasad is a compound word. Bhas mahapranah. Mukhodare is a compound word. Khas mahapranah. Nanu bhuyaha bhas mahapranah. Api bhuyopi because of sandhi. Tatha vidhananah is a compound word. Tatha the second thas mahapranah. Vidha dhas mahapranah. Tatha vidhananah. Vikasad bhuvane mukhodare nanu bhuyopi tatha vidhananah. Anaya sphutam bhas mahapranah ikshitah. Sphutam ikshitah. Ikshitah becomes ikshito because of sandhi. Bhavan bhas mahapranah. अनवस्थां थास् महाप्रणः जगताम् अनवस्थां जगतां because of sandhi anuswara changes to new there. Bata atanot batatanot because of sandhi. Anaya sphutamikshito bhavan anavasthan jagatam batatanot. Vikasad-bhuvane mukhodare nanu bhuyopi tatha vidhananaha anaya sphutamikshito bhavan anavasthan jagatam batatanot. Dhritatattvadhiyantada kshanam jananintam pranayena mohayan stanamamba dishetyupasajan bhagavannadbhuta bala pahimam. Dhritatattvadhiyam is a compound word. Both dhas mahapranah. Tada. Dhritatattvadhiyam tada because of sandhi. Anuswara changes to nu there. Kshanam jananim tam. Jananin tam because of sandhi. Anuswara changes to nu there. Pranayena mohayan. Dhritatattvadhiyam tada kshanam jananin tam pranayena mohayan. Stanam amba. Stanamamba disha iti. Disheti because of sandhi. Upasajan. Dishetyupasajan because of sandhi. Bhagavan bhamaha pranah. Adbhuta bala is a compound word. Adbhuta dabhas mahapranah. Bhagavannadbhuta bala because of sandhi. Pahi mam. Stanamamba dishetyupasajan bhagavannadbhuta bala pahi mam. Dhritatattvadhiyam tada kshanam jananintam pranayena mohayan stanamamba dishetyupasajan bhagavannadbhuta bala pahi mam.